recording through my ear bits because I'm going on my walk. I couldn't do it with that hair, so I shaved it. Hey! So this is post-op day 6. Okay, not sure what happened right there. But like I was saying, I feel fantastic. My navel is still no, I can't say very sore. It's still a bit sore. But this weather out here today is really good. So I'm going to take advantage of it. Post-op day 6, VSG, hiatal hernia repair. Post-op appointment with my surgeon is on the 14th at 2 p.m. in Miami. I look forward to it because that's when I'm going to get my official weight. I ain't pressed because I feel different. Like I was saying, like I feel slimmer, like I'm slimming. So it's all good. I'm going to continue on with this walk. Y'all see this skin? Like skin is in. Now mind you, when I go back to work, I'm definitely going to be back in my makeup because I have to wear makeup for work. It's required. But y'all see my skin? Not bad. Deuces. What's up? What it do? I'm back at the house. Did my walk. Got a little bit of sweat on. Well, I'm not a big sweater, so getting a little bit in this area in my brow back. It did what it did. So I'm gonna do this again tomorrow, and I'm gonna work up to 2 of these walks. My navel hurt. Ugh. But my navel hurt because that's where they took all that stomach out of. So I'm hoping that he checks on that. Well, I'm pretty sure he will. Hoping. When I go on the 14th, he's got a bunch of glue in there to hold it all together. And the way my showering works, like I shower a lot. So I'm hoping I'm not messing with anything. So I am going to put this video together for y'all and see you on the flip side. Peace.